Welcome back as we conclude this program with some important points regarding cable box applications. Cable boxes are manufactured in various designs and constructed using various materials. We have so far only featured the Ezee-fit type, which is constructed from a reinforced plastic material. Ezee-fit boxes are ideally suited for underground installation. For surface installations, an aluminium alloy box is recommended. The basic cable installation procedure for both types is identical when fitting armored or unarmored cables, reducing glands or conduit adapters. Another box type is this cast iron flame-proof box. Note that it is not fitted with integral cable glands. Special flame-proof glands are designed for use with flame-proof boxes. The threaded nipple, along with a special sealing gasket, screws directly into the box body. Obviously, all this has to do with safety, especially in areas that are classified as hazardous in terms of explosive gas or dust. An important factor in all boxes is the sealing of openings or passages that could allow in water, dust, or gas. It must always be ensured that any seal, such as the lid or cover gasket, is fitted whenever a box is installed. The gasket must be in good condition. Cable shrouds, too, should always be installed, especially with armored glands, to reduce the possibility of corrosion to the armor wires. On flame-proof boxes, never fit the flame-proof gland without the special sealing washer provided. Another box you may come across is the so-called EXE type, encountered in certain classified areas. This type differs from standard Ezee-fit boxes by its heavier construction and its red color for easy identification. When installing this type, the inner sealing bush must be fitted in order to meet the regulation requirements. When terminating using both flame-proof and EXE boxes, we should fit non-sparking connectors to minimize the chance of any sparking or hot jointing. Again, on flame-proof boxes, it is imperative that the lid and its mating surface are in a clean, flat, and undamaged condition, and that the sealing gasket, too, is not damaged. The lid cap screws must be tightened evenly and securely to ensure a safe seal. For further information regarding box details, specifications, and assembly instructions, we urge you to study the brochures and instruction pamphlets supplied by the manufacturer. Practice the fitting and assembling of junction boxes in your work area to conclude this program. Join us again in future Tech AV programs where you can improve your knowledge and skills in other related topics.